Hello and welcome to our channel. I would like to make a review on this airboat. It's a Norpa 241B. Its main feature is an aluminum body. Everyone is used to the fact that the airboat has an inflatable body. But here the other technologies are applied. It's a high-strength aluminum frame, no air balloons, and also a multi-layer protection. It's a polyethylene sheet, which is fastened without any lacing, using a bolted connection. You can see it here. Firstly, it is good maintainability. You can easily and quickly fix it at any time you need. Secondly, it is reliability. There are no latching ropes to fray or need to be tightened. But the most important thing is the absence of inflatable balloons. Because inflatable balloons in winter weather and off-season, when using an airboat on snow and ice, is an absolutely unreliable scheme. In good weather, in summer, inflatable balloons work normally. But in difficult conditions, especially in off-season, they're absolutely not suitable. They get rubbed through and torn. Also, you need to monitor the pressure in them constantly. For example, release some of the air in hot weather, otherwise the balloons may burst. Here we've got nothing like this, absolutely. In this case, a completely different technology is used. Between the polyethylene sheet and the body, there is a special porous rubber that doesn't absorb water. It's lightweight, durable and reliable, which can withstand serious heavy loads and doesn't allow the aluminum body to collapse. The aluminum body is more durable and reliable compared to PVC materials. Their maximum service life is 5 years, but after 3 years such materials become coarse and difficult to repair. Everyone who operates inflatable boats understands what this is about, understands that it's unreliable. What is also applied here, a Russian gasoline engine ladder is installed. Also, we've got bigger airboats. There we use Cummins diesel engines, 4-cylinder, 150 horsepower. But in this case, we've got here a 100 horsepower gasoline engine. Another feature of all our airboats is the use of a belt drive. Thanks to this, the airboat has a low center of gravity and good stability. Also, the belt drive is highly reliable. It doesn't require additional maintenance. For example, there is no need to change and add oil, because there is no oil in it. Only sealed bearings are used, they can be easily changed if necessary, and also a high-strength belt with a large margin of safety and a long service life. One more feature of all our airboats with an aluminum body is the self-draining deck. The deck is above the waterline, and when snow, mud and ice get on it, it all goes that way to the stern. A full-fledged car dashboard with all the necessary indicators is also installed. A GPS sensor is connected to the speed indicator. So you've got a full-value dashboard with a tachometer and a speedometer. In most cases there is only a tachometer, an engine temperature gauge, and a small set of other parameters. But here we've got a full-value dashboard. Additionally, you can purchase a scanner from us in order to independently monitor all the parameters of the engine. This is very important when you go on some kind of a long trip or go to hard-to-reach places. And in this case, you need to be sure that all systems will work well. There are many airboats of various modifications on our website. We offer both open variants and airboats with 2, 3 and 4-seater cabins, with gasoline and diesel engines. They all have an aluminum body. Watch our reviews, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon!